strings of 31 cm each. Fold it in half. Put these strings in this hook. Make a loop like this. Then put these two tails in this loop. Make sure the lengths are equal and then pull it tightly. Attach the other two strings same like this. Make a loop and pull the tails. Now you have 6 strings. Separate these. The last string over these two strings. Wrap it around it and pull it through. Do this twice to one string. Wrap it around and pull it through. Do the same to the another string. Wrap it around, pull it through. Same to the another side. The last string over these two, wrap it around and pull it through. Make sure to pull it tighten and do it twice to a single string. You are going to do this again to the right side, again to the left side, for attaching these make a kind of V shape, wrap it around and pull it through. The same step. You are going to do this twice. Take this string over these two and the same step repeats. Now separate the 3. Take this over these two and do the same 4 times. You will do this again to the right side 4 times and the left side 4 times, so that it creates a diamond shape. And for connecting these two, make a V shape and do it twice. Again to the right and to the left. Then connect these two. Open the strings with your fingers.